What is up, guys? So my T10 LEDs have finally arrived, so we are gonna be checking out if this would actually look nice. So basically, these bulbs I've ordered, they're actually how should I say, these bulbs are actually less than 1 watt. If I'm not mistaken, they're actually low wattage, since what I want to do, or what I want to achieve, is basically bulbs that are not brighter than stock. I just want to change them to white. Okay, so basically we're gonna remove this here. Alright, and let's grab my gloves here. Okay, so I'll be pulling out these bulbs. As you can see, this is the stock bulb and this is the LED. They are very identical, even the size, and I hope the brightness too, because I don't want an LED brighter than stock. I just really want to replace the color. There we go. Let's check it out. Okay, looks like it's reverse polarity. And there we go. There's your LED, and this is... Okay, so they look like they're actually the same brightness. As you can see, the white and the LED, as you can see. Let's check it out. There we go. Okay, they are the same brightness, as you can see. Perfect! I love this. So let's replace the other two bulbs here. Go. Put the halogen bulb out. And after inserting, you want to test it. Let's test it out. Good. There we go. There we go. Halogen out. And the fact that these are very affordable LEDs, I'm actually really happy. Because this is like, I don't know, 6 Philippine pesos per bulb, I guess. Okay. That's the thing about LEDs. They have a certain polarity. There we go. And working. Okay, so we have these lights on. Ta-da! And they look really great and not too bright. Okay, let's move on to the next doors on the back. And bulb works. Actually, it's a little bit brighter, but it's fine. And we got the door lights on. Perfect. Now these door panels, I had a friend who has a Montero Sport 2, and here you place the door panels with the lights on, and then when you remove the bulb, apparently it grounded and shorted the fuse, and the entire car wouldn't start. So it's better. So as you can see, door lights on. You have a switch right here where you can ask a friend to hold it. So once you hold that switch right there, it turns off the light, as you can see. So you need someone to hold that switch so that the light stays off, and you should have it held until, you know, you replace the bulb. Okay. Try mo. Okay, goods. And that's good. Okay, so it is night now and we are going to be testing out the LED lights that I've purchased. And as you can see, I've got super dark tint. So it's not as bright as other ones, which is what I'm looking for. Since I don't want anything too bright. There we go. So it's the right amount of bright. I'd say OEM factory bright. So it's not too bright like other types of lights. It's the right amount of bright. There we go. Because other bulbs have this super bright LEDs, which is terrible for the driver. If you want something that's the right amount, these LEDs are perfect and I love it. Look at the color, look at the shade and everything. It looks so premium and it is so much better and I love it.